Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold Xauusd. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, we can see that gold is heading towards the level of 2700. Couple of days ago when gold showed this correction, many people thought that finally we have a trend reversal, but gold immediately showed some recovery. And we were a little skeptical about this recovery because we were not sure whether it's just a retracement or a trend reversal. But right now, we have the confirmation from the geopolitical factors that no, it is a trend reversal. Because whenever there is a crisis in a world, gold flies. We all know it. And we can see that because of the ongoing geopolitical tension between Russia and Ukraine, gold is flying again. We have discussed about this yesterday, day for yesterday also. So those who are having a buy on gold right now as a position trader, swing trader, hold your buy position with your stop loss around 2650. And those who are looking for fresh position in the market, you should be looking for buy positions only, respecting the ongoing market. So let's look at the market sentiment. Gold rises for fourth day on safe haven buying. Gold traded higher for a fourth straight session mid-afternoon on Thursday at Russia's war in Ukraine intensified. Russia fired ICBM ballistic missiles, because of which we got upside, or we got to see some upside on the chart of gold. And if this intensifies or the war escalates, then obviously this upside on gold will continue. And this is the main reason I told you guys that hold your buy position, because in this situation chances of having a trend reversal is very less. But we should also keep in mind that today is Friday for the last couple of months. Fridays have been very dangerous, very unpredictable, especially during the US session. Beginners, new traders, if you see some unexpected moves in the market, stop trading. Just observe the market to gain some experience. That's it. Do not lose your whole week's profit, okay, on just one or two trades. Okay. And if you see that overall the market is still doing well, okay, then okay, it's up to you. So again, I'm repeating, my dear friends, okay, those who are having a buy on gold, you can continue having your buy positions. Okay, continue your buy positions with your stop loss around 2650. And those who recently bought around 2660, 2670, you can exit from your buy around 2685, around this area. Okay. And those who are looking for fresh position in the market, you should be looking for buy positions only, respecting the ongoing market sentiment. And in this situation, buy at dip or buy at retracement is the best trading strategy for us. So if market comes down from this particular level, we can look for a buy around 2675. We can look for buy around 2664, and we can look for buy around 2655. These are the three levels we can look for a buy on the chart of gold if market comes for retracement from this particular area. Okay, because the gold has not hit 2700 yet. From this particular portion of the market, if gold comes for retracement, then we can look for buy around 2675, 2664, 2655, around these three levels. Okay, why we are considering these three levels, let me show you. We are simply using Fibonacci here. You can see when we are considering Fibor from this particular point, okay, these are the levels where we can look for a buy position. Okay, but if market doesn't come for retracement, because we have seen whenever gold is too bullish, it is very arrogant, it doesn't come for retracement. If that happens, obviously, okay, we cannot wait, isn't it? In that case, we can look for a buy at breakout also. But here, buy at breakout can be risky. So buy at breakout only above 2700. Keep in mind, 2700 is also a round number, psychological resistance. So if market breaks it, wait for at least 1 to 2 hours, observe the market, let the market settle, let the resistance become support. If you see that after 2 hours, market is resting, trading comfortably, then you can look for a buy at breakout. Personally, I have no plans of buying at breakout because today is Friday. I do not want to fry my account. Okay. And on the other hand, okay, if we see that gold gold struggles around the resistance, or gold starts coming down. Okay, in that case, we can look for a buy around 2681, 2669. If gold reverses from 2700, listen to me carefully. If gold reverses from 2700 resistance area, then we can look for buy around 2681, 26669. Okay. And if you're an experienced trader, okay, if you know how to do proper risk management, all, then you can look for a sell position. But if you're a beginner, new trader, then I will not suggest or recommend any sell position in this situation, because taking a sell at resistance in this market situation is very risky. Resistance doesn't mean that you'll have to sell always. Support doesn't mean that you'll have to buy always. No. In this situation we have a resistance, but market sentiment is bullish, so there will be some temporary retracement. Eventually market will break the resistance and go higher. For example, if there is a support, and market sentiment is bearish, there is a support. If it is very strong, then hardly we will see a temporary bounce, and eventually market will break the support and go down. Support doesn't mean trend reversal, resistance doesn't mean trend reversal. Keep that in mind. So let me wrap it up. So my dear friends, things are not good right now. Okay, the world is passing through a crisis, because of which gold is bullish. And right now, if you have any buy on gold, continue. And if you're looking for a fresh position, then buy at retracement or buy at support is the best trading strategy. If gold comes for retracement from the current level, then we can look for a buy around 2675, 2664, and 2655. These are the three levels where we can look for buy if gold comes for retracement from this area. But we have a resistance around 2700. So if gold reverses from 2700, okay, and if the setting price is not very high, then we can look for a buy around 2680, 2681, 2669 area. These are the two levels where we can look for a bounce. My dear friends, do not place buy positions blindly. We are traders, not gamblers. If you see market taking support, then only press the buy button. Okay. And I will not recommend any position between 2690, 2700, because right now the market sentiment is very bullish. But if you're an experienced trader, then you can look for a sell position. And if market breaks 2700, okay, 2700, and today is also Friday, be careful. Okay, wait for some time, wait for 1 to 1 hours at least, and see how the market is responding. If you see market is trading comfortably above 2700, then you can look for a buy above it. Okay, the weekly closing is going to be very, very important. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Be careful during the US session. If market is too volatile, too crazy, do not trade. We are traders. Okay, that doesn't mean that we need to trade on each and every session. We need to trade each and every day. No, you only need to trade when the market condition is right. Okay, bye bye. Take care.